Hi, hello, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to track with the Mocha AE. That is, Mocha is a plugin, third-party plugin for After Effects. So it's a plugin which is we use for tracking, and also we can do the roto work. So before that, I'm going to track a footage like. So you can see this is my footage. Okay. So where there's a green screen and with the tracking marks right on the phone, right? So I'm going to track this. So before we track this, what I'll do means I have something that needs to be replaced on this. So I have all the layers which is having something like this. Okay, a mobile interface, user interface. So I'll just quickly do the animation for this. So I have I have a Photoshop file. I can directly import the Photoshop file to the After Effects. So come to the where you want to. So this is my file. Bring it to the After Effects. I'll just call it composition, editable layer style. Okay. So you just need to come to the project file. Directly import your composition. Okay, fine. So this is your composition. Press shift question mark to fit the screen. So what I'll do means I'll just don't select these backgrounds. So from here I'll select every layer till here, from beginning to here. Okay. So what I'll do is I'll press the P for position. I'll create a keyframe here. I'll just come for around 2 seconds forward. I'll click on keyframes over here again, and I'll come back over here. Then I'll just move this to the left. Okay, so everything is disappeared. You can increase this. So I'll just select this entire keyframes, all the keyframes which is available here. Then I'll go to the graph editor. Before going to the graph editor, make sure it is apply the easiness. Okay, that is F9. Then go to the graph editor. Then select these things. Then click this handle and move it to the left, so that here the end of the animation will be smooth. It will come fast and it will be slow. Okay, then come back here. So now all you need to do is we have to create an offset. Just select one button, move slightly forward. So I have created the offset. You can see the layers. I just moved few frames, each frames I moved it forward. Okay, so now if I just play this video, so it looks good. So the animation is good for me. Okay, it looks great. Okay, that is fine. So I'll end it till 20 seconds. So I'll come to the 20 seconds. I'll press N. That is to trim the render comp. Then I'll open the media encoder. You can directly render this directly in the After Effects by going to composition, add to render queue. You can select H264 or any other thing. It is your wish. So, but I'll go for media encoder. Composition, add to media encoder. So it will create a link over here. So I'll just check but the size I'm getting around 175 which is too high. You can reduce you can compress the thing. If you come down here, you will see something called VBR pass 1 and target bitrate is of 69.7. I'll just bring it for 30. Let's see. So it can when you bring it for 30, it came to 75 MB. I'll little more decrease. I'll give 10. So it comes to 25 MB. So this is enough for me. Just click OK. Then So it will create a subfolder called mobile UI animation, whatever the name that you have given. Select this, click on the play button to render the video. Okay, now you can see the animation is rendered. I'll just click the link and I'll open the video. Okay, so the animation is happening. It is good. So this is done. So now what we need to do, come back to the After Effects. Just come here, file, new project. So just save this, create, don't click a new composition, directly you can import the video that we have, that is this one, right? So bring it here, bring it to your composition. It will create its own composition of which is having the same frame rate and the height and width. Okay, so this is having a 29-second video footage, so that is good. So now what you need to do, go to the effects and presets, type Mocha, M-O-C-H-A, Mocha AE. This is the effect, directly add to your layer, or you can directly add to the screen. So just click on the Mocha. So it is asking like the host is not set to full resolution, tracking at reduced resolution can be faster. Okay, so what it is asking means by default my working resolution is on the third, or you might keep it in quarter. So before you clicking on the Mocha, make it full, then select it, then click on Mocha. So it will open another window or another display, something like this, which is totally different display. So might be by default it will be like view layout, it will be essential, something like this. Okay, so what you need to do is come to the view layout and click on classic, so you'll get some other extra options over here. Okay, so now you can come here, you can play it here. Okay, see, right? So now just come to the where the screen is visible, and here the screen is going down, right? So I'll come to the middle of this, so I'll come somewhere here, then I'll select the, it looks like a pen tool, it's something related to the pen tool only. Okay, so we also call it Bezier tools. So just click this tool, click on the plus icon wherever you see, from end to end. So this is to here to here. Okay, then press right click, so it will set the tracking points. Done. So once you've done that, so what you need to do, click on this S icon and this one. Okay, it's called show planar surface. So once you click this, you'll get something like this. So you just need to adjust, you can adjust it till outside of the screen, like this. So make sure the lines should cross it properly outside of the screen. Okay, fine. Then click on this grid also, so you can see the grid is placed properly. Okay, so if you move this, you can also find it out, right? So once you're done that, now I'll track it forward. Click the track forward,